G'day guys, thought I'd give you an update on how things are going. For those of you that are new to the channel, I'm Andrew and my wife is Carolyn. You'll see her in and out of the videos every now and then. But we bought our bus on March the 27th, 2021. We started converting it on March 28th, 2021, and today is the 4th of July 2021. So we've been going just over 3 months. And at the moment I'm working on installing the water tanks. It's taken a little bit longer than I expected, but that's to be the case when you're building a bus. Everybody says it and it happens. Today's video is just going to be a short one of how I removed the ceiling in the cabin and also cleaned it up, get it and removed all the glue off the side of the bus in there, and also at the back of the bus and on the side of the bus as well. You'll see that. It's only a short one, but it gives you an idea. We used mineral terps, which worked really well to get the glue off. So that's what we used in it, and you'll see in the time-lapse videos coming up soon how it was done. So this week I'm going to continue working on the water tanks. Hopefully I should get it done either tomorrow or Tuesday. So that'll be good. Then I can concentrate on doing the floor properly, getting that all locked down and ready to go. And then what we're thinking about doing is going for a bit of a weekend away just with the floor down. We've got a compressor that we can take with us, so we can take some electrical stuff as well, just to give it a test out and actually get to use it, which will be nice. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please just hit the subscribe button. It helps us out with YouTube. Also hit the like button, so it's really good. And we're really appreciating all the comments and feedbacks that we're getting, so please feel free to drop a comment below. Otherwise, enjoy this video, and we will hopefully have next week up how the water tanks were installed. So for now guys, we'll talk to you later. So I've got the top part of the cockpit out. There were screws holding it up around the corner here, and also I had to take the sun visors out, the rear view mirror, I'll get it out in a minute, the rear view mirror, and also the clock, and then pulled out the whole section. Now I've got to go along and take out the screws here that hold this part of the old part of the air conditioner, same on that side, and then I should be able to take out the insulation, and then that will be done. From there we went ahead and took out the carpet from around the cabin. It was pretty grotty and grungy, so I've taken it out. I also cleaned up a bit of rust there that was near the door, and from there I went ahead and cleaned up the Sikaflex off the door. Sikaflex is a nightmare to get off. If you've done it, you'll know what I mean. I'm using mineral terps. It makes a mess, but eventually it comes off nice and clean and leaves a nice nice finish at the end. So I think I've nearly got all the Sikaflex off from around the bus now. There may be a few little parts, but other than that, I'm pretty glad it's all off. From there, you can see I've removed the seatbelt and pulled off the vinyl, and then hit the glue that's sitting on the wall. Now, if you haven't pulled off the vinyl, you won't have this problem, but if you do, you'll have it. You'll have to get it. It takes a long time to get off. There's lots of it around, but as you can see, it's nice and clean once it's all come off. Carolyn comes out to help me with it during the day, and she's so quick that when she clicks her fingers, the job is done. So just watch what happens when she clicks her finger. Voila, and it's all done.